Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to easily sell your NFTs on Crypto.com. First, ensure you have both a Crypto.com app account and an NFT platform account set up. Once logged into the NFT marketplace, you will navigate to your collection of digital collectibles. From there, you can select the unique token you are ready to list for sale to potential buyers. This straightforward process makes it simple to begin your selling journey. After selecting your NFT, you will see the option to sell it. Crypto.com offers two primary methods for selling, a fixed price or an auction. For the easiest and quickest sale, choosing a fixed price allows buyers to purchase your NFT instantly. This method is ideal if you have a clear value in mind and want to avoid the bidding process. Simply set your desired price and proceed. Now it's time to set your price. Carefully input the amount you wish to receive for your NFT. Remember, a small service fee, typically around 1.99%, will be deducted from the final sale amount. Also, creators may receive royalties from secondary sales. Double-check all the details, then confirm your listing. Your NFT will then be live on the marketplace, ready for collectors to discover. Once your NFT is listed, it's visible to a global audience of collectors. When a buyer purchases your item, the transaction is processed automatically. The funds, minus any applicable fees and royalties, will be deposited into your Crypto.com NFT account balance. You can easily track the sale and manage your earnings through your account dashboard. This completes the simple process of selling your NFT.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.